let me show you how to make some delicious smoked queso on the Blackstone Pellet Grill. Start by preheating our griddle. We need to cook up some meat for this queso. We're going to use some ground chuck here. I probably have 2.5 pounds of ground chuck. I really only need about a pound for this recipe, but if you're making more, you can of course use more. So I'm going to cook this up until it starts to brown, and then I'm going to use some of Blackstone Street Taco seasoning. I'm going to put a hefty amount of that for some flavor into this meat. Then I'm just going to stir that up and let it continue to brown on the griddle. Once it's cooked all the way through, I'm going to pull that off and put it in a cast iron pan. Then I'm going to take a 2-pound block of Velveeta cheese and I'm going to cut that into cubes. So we're just going to cut that down so that we have about 1-inch size cubes. And then I'm going to throw those cubes right into that cast iron pan with my ground beef. Then I'm going to add some Gouda. So I've got about a 1-pound block of Gouda cheese here. I'm going to cut it into cubes just the same way. Throw that in there with the Velveeta cheese. Then I'm going to use this cream of jalapeno soup. This is available at my local grocery store. You can use cream of chicken if you can't find this. And then I'm going to add some salsa, and you can use as much or as little as you want. Finish it off with another dusting of that Blackstone Street Taco. Then I'm going to throw this whole pan in the Blackstone Pellet Grill, preheated to about 300 degrees. That's going to sit for about an hour to an hour and a half, depending. We're going to take this out about every 20 to 30 minutes, make sure we stir it up so that we can get all those things mixed together. After about an hour, your cheese should be completely melted and bubbly. We're going to pull it out one last time, give it a good stir, and then I'm going to top this off with a little bit of cilantro just to get a little bit of that freshness and to add a little color to the presentation. So I'm going to just chop that cilantro real small and then sprinkle it right on top. You would of course serve this with some tortilla chips. This is so good, y'all. It's one of the best quesos you'll ever make, and it's quick and it's easy. Let me know if you try it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Till next time.